But if you notice that number there and it has it at the description below as well, we are also offering much needed services. Okay. So, for example, vinyl skirting installation. All the rain and the hail that has come lately, if you guys need your vinyl skirting replaced or just repaired, we offer those services directly in house. So make sure you call 432 201 1105. That rings directly to me or Joe Angel. Okay. You can also scan that QR code, but most importantly, just call or text us so we can get you a free quote and we can go ahead and repair it or install it. Okay.